Hey guys, this story is called Jobs for James. I'm going to read it. I want you guys to follow along with me um, and read it as well. James saw a cool new hamster cage. Hamster Hank would like this, he said. Hank could run in all the tubes and rooms, said James. At home, James counted his money. I have $14, said James. The cage costs $30. I'll need to earn the money, James said. I'll ask if there are any jobs I can do, he said. I'll pay you $2 an hour to rake leaves, said Grandpa. I'll pay you $3 an hour to clean the garage, said Mom. I'll pay you $4 an hour to pull these weeds, said Miss Tom. James pulled weeds for 1 hour. He cleaned the garage for 2 hours. He raked leaves for 3 hours. Now I have the money I need, James said. I can buy Hank's new cage. James got Hank's new cage. He was proud of his hard work. Hank was proud of his new home.